In the primary school, Gaelic medium education is in every class. However, in the infant stages, the children are totally immersed in Gaelic language.
The children have a delightful experience in nursery. From the moment they arrive, there's a whole day's activities planned, or a whole session's activities planned, and they have options. They can opt into some of the activities, opt out of others, and the staff encourage them all the time, try to get them to play together, to interact together, and we take them outside a lot. We believe in using the outdoor, using the community that you live in, going to visits, whether it be in Portree or in Glasgow, very much that the community is at the heart of learning, taking them outside, nature walks, taking people into the nursery to talk to them, and having as wide a variety of experiences as possible, while at the same time following a curriculum for excellence and being aware that literacy, numeracy and health and well-being are at the centre of all the activities and are important. Looking at where the child is, seeing what interests that child, what type of topics they like, whether it's tractors, whether it's aeroplanes, whether it's the sea, and finding out what they really want to learn about that. So it's very much going back to the child being at the centre, but also looking forward and following the guidelines from a curriculum for excellence.